grass-fed ground beef that I'm cooking, and it's almost ready. Okay. I'm going to use some of this coleslaw. It has green cabbage, carrots, and red cabbage. Excellent source of vitamin C. I'm going to add this in my grass-fed meat, and that will be my egg roll in a bowl. Okay guys, as you can see, I added my cabbage. I'm just going to stir this around. So once I'm finished stirring it up, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, this is what my egg roll in the bowl looks like. The meat was already seasoned with garlic powder, redness salt, and pepper. So it already has seasoning. And if you want like a quick keto meal, this is very easy. Just season your meat up, drain the grease off of it, add your cabbage, and this is what it looks like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you want to see more quick little short videos like this, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye guys. It's going to do a taste test of the egg roll in the bowl. Let's see what she thinks of it. She's not keto, so let's see.
Keto. It's good.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
That's a 10.
All right, guys. If you're not following her, her page name is Unknown Tatey. No, Life is Unknown Tatey. All right, guys. See you later. Tyre, you want to say bye?
Bye.